All right, so we were adding and subtracting. Now we're multiplying. So one way to multiply is multiply everything in the first parentheses by everything in the second parentheses and combine like terms. It is often very easy to forget something if you do that way, so I'm not against it. Feel free to do it if that's your method of choice. But when it is something more than just binomial times binomial, I like to use the box method. So I have two terms there, so 2m plus 5 down the side, and then 3m squared minus 4m plus 2 across the top. So each term has its own box. And then just like a multiplication table, you multiply. So 3m squared times 2m is 6m cubed, because you have 1 here, 2 here, that's 3. 2m times negative 4m is negative 8m squared. 2m times 2 is 4m. And then second row becomes 15m squared, negative 20m, and then 10. So this is my only cube term. I have 2 squared terms, and so I am going to add them together. Notice the plus sign there. So negative 8 plus 15 is 7. So I have 7m squared. Do the same thing with the m terms. So I have negative 20m plus 4 is negative 16m. And then 10 is its own term in the back here. This one works very much the same way, but you're going to have to do it twice. So you will do this, get an answer, which will be a trinomial, and then when you get that trinomial, you're going to multiply it by mn plus 4 to get your final answer. So take a second, try that, see if that makes sense to you, and if it does not, check out the next slide where I will have the answer.